The United States has long been a beacon of hope and opportunity for people worldwide. Many dream of living, working, or studying in this land of possibilities. However, the journey to America often involves navigating the complex world of visas and immigration. This guide aims to provide a clear and concise overview of the various pathways to enter and reside in the United States legally. Whether you are seeking to reunite with family, pursue your career aspirations, or contribute your talents to American society, understanding the relevant visa and immigration processes is crucial. This guide will cover different visa categories, eligibility criteria, application procedures, and essential tips for a successful outcome. We will delve into family-based visas, employment-based visas, student visas, and other pathways such as asylum and refugee status. Remember, this guide provides general information and should not be considered legal advice. It is always recommended to consult with an experienced immigration attorney for personalized guidance tailored to your specific circumstances.
Family reunification, bringing loved ones together. The United States recognizes the importance of family unity. U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents can petition for their close family members to join them in the U.S. These visas are known as family-based visas. There are different categories of family-based visas, each with specific requirements and limitations. U.S. citizens can petition for their spouses, unmarried children under 21, married children of any age, parents, and siblings. The process generally involves the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident filing a petition on behalf of their relative. This petition establishes the legitimacy of the relationship and the relative's eligibility for a visa. Once the petition is approved, the relative must undergo consular processing at a U.S. embassy or consulate in their home country. This process includes submitting necessary documentation, undergoing medical examinations, and attending an interview.
Working in America, opportunities and requirements. The United States welcomes skilled workers from around the globe to contribute to its diverse economy. Employment-based visas provide a pathway for foreign nationals to live and work in the U.S. temporarily or permanently. One of the most well-known employment-based visas is the H-1B visa, designed for individuals in specialty occupations that require theoretical and practical expertise. To qualify for an H-1B visa, you typically need a bachelor's degree or higher in a related field and a job offer from a U.S. employer willing to sponsor you. Another notable visa category is the O-1 visa, reserved for individuals with extraordinary abilities in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. The O-1 visa requires a high level of achievement and national or international recognition in your field. Obtaining an employment-based visa typically involves a two-step process. First, your U.S. employer must file a petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. Once the petition is approved, you can apply for the visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate.
Studying in the U.S., pursuing academic dreams. The United States boasts world-renowned universities and colleges, attracting students from all corners of the globe. Student visas allow foreign nationals to pursue their academic aspirations at various educational institutions across the country. The most common type of student visa is the F-1 visa, granted to individuals enrolled in academic programs at accredited schools, colleges, universities, language training programs, or other academic institutions. To be eligible for an F-1 visa, you must be accepted into a Student and Exchange Visitor Program, or SEVP certified institution. Another type of student visa is the J-1 visa, which facilitates cultural exchange programs. The J-1 visa is for students participating in exchange visitor programs such as internships, training, or teaching. Applying for a student visa involves obtaining an I-20 form from your chosen SEVP certified institution and paying the CVIS fee. You must then submit your visa application, financial documentation, and supporting documents to a U.S. embassy or consulate.
A green card, formerly known as a permanent resident card, grants its holder the privilege of living and working permanently in the United States. There are several ways to obtain a green card, including family sponsorship, employment sponsorship, investment, and the diversity visa lottery. Family-based green cards allow U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to petition for green cards for their immediate family members. Similarly, U.S. employers can sponsor foreign nationals for green cards based on their skills and qualifications. The EB-5 visa program enables foreign investors to obtain green cards by investing a significant amount of capital in a U.S. business that creates jobs for American workers. The Diversity Visa Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery, randomly selects individuals from countries with low rates of immigration to the U.S. Applying for a green card typically involves filing a petition with USCIS and undergoing a multi-step process that includes biometrics collection, interviews, and background checks.
Section 6, U.S. Citizenship: Embracing a New Home. Becoming a U.S. citizen is a significant milestone that comes with numerous rights and responsibilities. U.S. citizenship can be obtained through birth in the U.S., acquisition at birth through U.S. citizen parents, or naturalization. Naturalization is the process by which a lawful permanent resident of the U.S. can apply for citizenship after meeting specific eligibility requirements. These requirements typically include residing in the U.S. for a certain period, demonstrating good moral character, passing English and civics tests, and taking an oath of allegiance to the United States. The naturalization process involves filing an application with USCIS, providing supporting documentation, attending an interview, and passing the naturalization tests. Once approved, applicants participate in a naturalization ceremony where they take an oath of allegiance and receive their certificates of naturalization.
Section 7. Staying informed. The importance of updated information. U.S. immigration laws and policies are subject to change, sometimes with little notice. It is crucial to stay updated on the latest regulations and procedures to ensure a smooth and successful immigration journey. USCIS, the government agency responsible for administering immigration benefits, provides up-to-date information on its official website. You can find detailed information on visa categories, eligibility criteria, application forms, fees, processing times, and more. Subscribing to USCIS newsletters, following their social media accounts, and consulting reputable immigration law resources can help you stay informed about any changes that may affect your case. It is essential to rely on accurate and trustworthy sources of information to avoid misinformation and potential complications.
Section 8, Seeking Asylum Protection for the Persecuted. The United States offers refuge to individuals fleeing persecution in their home countries. Asylum is a form of protection granted to individuals who have a well-founded fear of persecution based on their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Individuals seeking asylum must be physically present in the United States or at a U.S. port of entry. They can apply for asylum affirmatively by filing an application with USCIS or defensively if they are placed in removal proceedings. The asylum process involves a thorough review of the applicant's case, including a detailed account of the persecution they fear. A crucial step in the process is the asylum interview, where applicants have the opportunity to present their case and answer questions from a trained asylum officer. If asylum is granted, individuals are allowed to live and work in the United States and may be eligible to apply for permanent residency after 1 year. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey, your rights, your future. Navigating the U.S. visa and immigration system can be daunting, but understanding the different pathways and requirements can empower you to pursue your American dream. Whether you are seeking to reunite with loved ones, advance your career, pursue your education, or find refuge from persecution, it is essential to approach the process with accurate information and careful planning. Remember that this guide provides general information and should not be considered legal advice. Consulting with an experienced immigration attorney is crucial to ensure that you understand your rights, meet all eligibility criteria, and submit a complete and accurate application. With the right information and guidance, your journey toward living, working, or studying in the United States can be a rewarding and successful one. Your dreams and aspirations are worth pursuing, and the United States welcomes individuals from all walks of life to contribute to its vibrant and diverse society.